Alright people, OnePlus 15R is in the house and this is the media kit that we have received. And this is the phone that I have been waiting for. And if you know OnePlus, you already know that the R series is where the real value usually sits. You get almost everything flagship but without the flagship pricing drama. And the regular buyers also usually end up buying this one. And this year even OnePlus is trying to push R series much harder. There's a lot going on here, but before that, let's see what's inside the box. Let's do it. Let's unbox it. And that's how the box looks. The classic OnePlus box, red and black colored branding. You can see here OnePlus 15R is written here, and let me open the box now. And the first thing that I can see in the box is the invite, and it's written Rise as One here. I will keep this invite aside now. And this is the phone here, but we will talk about this later. Let's see what else is there in the box, because I can see two more compartments here. Let's see what's there in this first box here, the first compartment. And we have few accessories here. You have a Never Settle badge here. This is the badge. It looks cool, right? We will keep this aside. We have a keychain here. This looks cool too. I will keep this as well aside, and the box is empty. Let's move on to the second compartment here, and here we have few more accessories. We have two phone covers here. Let me unbox the first one. And this is what we get. So this is the first cover that we get. It's black colored, and these are the bits that we get with the box, and we can create our own design here. We will keep this aside. Let's see what do we get in the other box. One more cover here, the classic OnePlus cover, and this is also in black color. Let me keep this aside. And again, this is also empty. Now, we have the OnePlus 15R here, the phone. Let's unbox this now. And you know what is the most satisfying part of unboxing a phone? Is this part. Peeling off the plastic. Let me unchip the phone. And first up we have this OnePlus envelope here, and let me see what do we get inside this. One more cover, and this one is in mint green color. Looks very premium. Let me keep this also aside. We have a quick guide here, and here we have the hero of the box, the phone. We will talk about this later. We will unpeel this later. And next up we have a red cable here, A to C type charging cable. And at last we have the charging brick. This is an 80-watt super VOOC charger here, and that's how it looks. Let me keep this aside. And one more tiny thing we have here is this SIM ejecting tool. That's all you get in the box. It's empty. Let me keep the box aside. And let's unpeel this thing now. And that's how the phone looks. It comes with this nice mint color, and the back is matte finished. There is this squarish camera module here. I can see two camera lenses here, a flashlight, and honestly this looks much more premium as compared to OnePlus 13R, which I am currently using. That one has a round camera module, and this one also feels much lighter as compared to the last one. So the in-hand feel is also much better. Now, I'm super excited to try these covers on, and let me start with this one which has come with the box itself. And that's how it looks. Okay, so I like this one the most because this is going with the aesthetic, but let me try other two as well. Let me try the black one now. Even this looks nice. Let's try the third one, the unique one. You guys decide for this one and let me know in the comment section below. And finally, let's talk about the OnePlus 15R. But before that, if you have made it to the video till here, please make sure you subscribe to the channel because that helps us out a lot. So, this is the world's first phone with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. OnePlus claims they work closely with Qualcomm on this chip. So, I am expecting some serious jump in efficiency and speed. Just like OnePlus 15, it has a dedicated touch response chip and a new G2 Wi-Fi chip. This should make a real difference when you are gaming or streaming because everything from touch latency to network stability should feel tighter. The 15R is also pulling some of the gaming features from the 15, so staying logged at 120 FPS in supported games should be very realistic this time. The display is another big flex. You get a 165Hz panel which at this price is just wild. It is one of the fastest displays in any phone right now and definitely fastest in this segment. Now, moving to the back, you get a dual camera setup and again no Hasselblad branding. That's because the 15R is also switching to the DetailMax Engine, which is OnePlus's own imaging pipeline. So the tuning and colors will probably feel very different this year. I will test all of that in the full review, but here are some camera samples that you can check out right now and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Now, let me tell you the part that surprised me. The 15R shoots 4K at 120 FPS. This is something we usually see on top tier flagships, so having it in an R series device is honestly impressive. For software, we have OxygenOS 16, which is running the whole show, and all the AI tools that you could possibly need are all baked right in. You also get OnePlus's Plus Mind. This has become one of my favorite additions on recent OnePlus models, and I'm glad it is on the 15R too. The 15 has a 7300 mAh unit and the 15R bumps that up to 7400 mAh. Okay, it may not sound that big a difference on paper, but with this new chipset, I'm expecting OnePlus 15R to have a better battery life than OnePlus 15, which was already one of the best that we tested this year. But the biggest surprise is the durability. OnePlus wants you to take this thing anywhere and everywhere. The 15R has IP66, 68, 69 and even IP69K rating. And this is the most complete set of IP ratings that I've seen in this segment. It feels like OnePlus was asked how tough they want the phone to be and they just said yes to everything. Pricing is still under wrap until December 17. That's when OnePlus goes official with OnePlus 15R. But if we go by OnePlus's usual pricing patterns and some of the leaks floating around, this should drop under 50,000 rupees, maybe even close to 45,000 rupees. But there's still a lot that I need to test. Real world performance, gaming stability, battery drain, camera tuning, all of it. So stay tuned to this space for a detailed review and make sure that you subscribe to the channel because I will be back with a review. Till then, keep watching. This is Vanshika signing off. I will see you guys in the next one.